Ready to skyrocket your Snapchat score and dominate the leaderboard? Let's dive into the ultimate guide to boosting your score fast. The absolute easiest way to earn points is by sending and receiving snaps. Aim to send at least 50 snaps throughout the day. Don't overthink it. Quick snaps of your ceiling or a pet rack up those points just as effectively as elaborate creations. The more you send, the more your score climbs. Engaging with your friends' stories is your next secret weapon. Take a few seconds to simply tap through their story. Each story view adds a point to your score. Consistency is key here, so make it a habit to check in on your friends' updates. Don't forget to reply to snaps. When you receive a snap, replying with your own adds bonus points. This shows active engagement and is another simple yet effective way to keep that score moving upwards. Expanding your Snapchat network can also give your score a significant boost. Add new friends by scanning snap codes from your phone contacts or through mutual friends. Every new friend you connect with represents potential for more snaps sent and received. Maintaining streaks is crucial for consistent score growth. Focus on keeping your daily snap streaks alive with your closest friends. A consistent streak means a constant trickle of points, adding up over time. Beyond snaps, don't neglect direct chat messages. While they don't contribute as much as snaps, sending and receiving messages still earns you small increments of points. Combine this with your snapping strategy for maximum efficiency. Explore the Discover, Page, and View content from your favorite creators and publishers while not directly tied to your score with individual friends. Engaging with this content can sometimes offer small point bonuses and keeps you active within the app. So remember, send, receive, engage, add, and maintain streaks. By implementing these simple, step-by-step methods, you'll see your Snapchat score climb rapidly, putting you ahead of the game on the social radar.